Hello friends, welcome back to automationtestinginsider.com. So in the last video we have seen how to handle Windows authentication using Autoit tool, and we have seen one more method where we have passed username and password in the URL itself, and we have handled Windows authentication. Now today I'm going to show you how to handle upload and download file in Selenium WebDriver, and there are different methods using them will handle upload and download in Selenium. So this is the agenda for today. So we'll look into what are the different ways to upload files in Selenium. Like we have listed down 3 ways here. So we'll talk about StKeys method, like how to upload file using StKeys. We'll discuss about Autoit tool, and we have already seen an introduction in the last video, like how to use Autoit tool. And today I'll show you like how to upload file using Autoit tool. And at last we'll look into like a robot class, how to upload file using robot class, and how to download files as well. We'll look into it. Like I'll show you using Chrome options class how to download file on Chrome browser using Chrome browser. And regarding these 2 points, like how to download file using Firefox profile on Firefox browser, we'll look into it later on. Probably we'll look into these 2 topics, like how to download file on IE and Firefox browser in coming days. Okay, so we'll cover these 4 topics today. So let's get started. Like the first one, upload file using StKeys method. So my Eclipse is already open. Here I'll create new class. Using StKeys. So as usual, what we'll do, we'll copy couple of lines of code to launch the browser. And if you go to my blog www.automationtestinginsider.com and just navigate to demo websites, just click on different elements on a web page. Here I have added new element, choose file, where we'll upload files. Okay, so here you can see this window will appear where we have to choose the file and upload the file. Okay, so basically here I have not written here I have not created any submit button or anything, because the primary purpose is to just click on this choose file and select the file and just select the open from here. Like let me just show you like this. So the file should be uploaded here. Okay, so let's see how we can upload the file using StKeys method. So first of all, we have to inspect this. So here we have ID as file upload 1. We can copy that and just write driver.find element by .id, and we have to give ID here. And let's store in web element le, or let's give some meaningful name like choose file. We have to import web element from org.openqa.selenium. Now simply what we'll do, choose file dot StKeys. We have StKeys method here, and simply whatever file we are going to upload, we'll give the file path here. So let's say, let me just create a file, let's say text file, test file. Okay, just select this, shift right click, copy as path, and here I'll give the complete path. Now our program is ready. Let me just run this. Right click, run as Java application. I think something went wrong. Let me just see. We do not see any error over here. I think we are not able to move to that element, this element. So let's use actions class. So probably that will solve the problem. We'll create the object of actions class. So if you have missed my previous videos regarding actions class, then please watch previous videos, then you can learn about actions class. Here we have to pass the driver. We have to just import actions, and what we'll do from here, act dot, we have one method called move to element, and here we'll give this target as this file, this web element. Okay, and then simply we have to perform. Let's put one wait here. I think that is not required, but for safe side, let's say 1 second of wait. Now let's rerun this program again. Browser is launched, navigated to URL. Still the blog, my website is loading, and here we go. Now you can see the file is being uploaded, test file.txt, right? So this is how you can work. You can use StKeys method to upload the file. Now what is next? So here we have next as upload file using Autoit. So in the last video already we have seen an introduction to Autoit tool. So here I'll show you some one tool that is, let me just show you. Files, Part33, and this finder tool. So today we'll use this finder tool. So script, that Autoit script is already ready. So this is the file. Let me just open this, right click, and here we have edit script. Okay, so script is already ready. So let me just explain you like how to what is the purpose of all these three methods. So we have control focus. So what we'll do through Autoit, first of all we have to click using Selenium, like we need to just click on this file, choose file, and this window will appear. Now from here on we need to take a help from Autoit tool. Okay, so this is finder tool. So we have to inspect element using this finder tool. So how we'll do that? Here you can see title blank, it is showing blank, class as blank, all the information are blank right now. Okay, so there is a this is finder tool. So we have to just drag this icon to this file name location. So here you can see all the information is filled now, right? So let me just go to that script file. So here we have method control focus. So that is the first method, control focus. So what it says, we have 3 parameters in it, like title, text and control ID. What is title? We have this title as open, so here I have put open. The second one is we have text. We can keep it as blank. And what is the third one is control ID. So control ID is the combination of class and instance, edit1. So here we have to give edit1. Similarly, we have another method, control set text. We have focused to this particular search box, this box, okay, where we'll copy, we'll select the file, right? And here we have to give the file path, the second action, right? So let me just show you what is the second action. Control set text. So this is the second method, and here we have title as open, text as edit only, sorry, text we have to keep it as blank, and we have control ID will be the same, edit1. And here we have new parameter, that is new text. So new text is nothing but your file path which we are going to upload. So in this case I have to select this test file. So let me just change it to test file, okay. And last one is control click. After doing the first two operations, performing first two operations, the last one is control click. So you need to just drag this to this open, because after giving the file path here we have to click on open. So it takes 3 parameters. Let me just show you. Control click, and we have title, text and control ID. So now this time title as open, text we can keep it as blank. The third would be control ID. So control ID would be button 1. So here we have given button 1. Now we have to save this as .au3, okay. So simply click on save. Now what we'll do, test file is created, this upload file. Already I have created this script file generated earlier, so let me just delete this. So just now we have done this, right, this script. Here we have test file, so let me just compile this. So what we have, this is a script file, right? Now we have to we have to generate one exe file so that we can run that exe file. So right click on it, and here we have two options. We have compile script 86 and compile script 64-bit. So since my computer is 64-bit, so we have to choose this option. Else if you have 32-bit, then you have to choose this one. So just select compile script. So here we go, we have our exe file ready. Now what we'll do, we'll create Selenium script now. Upload using Autoit. I have to copy simply few lines of code from previous class, the one which we have created for StKeys method. So simply copy paste till here. Yes. And then what we need to do, we have a runtime class in Java, runtime dot get runtime dot execute method, this exec. Okay, here we have to provide the this upload file path. So just click on, just press shift and right click. We have this copy as path. We have to give this file path. Add throws declaration again. Now the program is ready, so let me just run this. I think something went wrong. Sorry, we have not performed click operation here. One second. So we have to perform click operation here. Click dot perform. Right, we have to click on this option, choose file, and then it will rest will be taken care by Autoit tool. So let's rerun it again. Again I think something went wrong. Let's put some weight here. I think because of weight only we're getting problem. 2 seconds of wait here. Hopefully it will work now. Let me just close this and rerun it again. Browser is launched. Navigate to URL. Hopefully this time it will upload. Here we go. You can see test file is being uploaded now. You can see it, right? So this is how you can upload file using Autoit as well. Now we'll move towards the third one, using robot class. So we have couple of steps needs to be performed for robot class. Okay, so we have to copy the file location in system clipboard. Okay, first we have to copy the file in system clipboard, and the next would be we have to click on upload file button and use Ctrl V and enter. Okay, so we have to copy the file. One second. We have to copy the file location in the system clipboard. So clipboard is nothing but I would say temporary system location, and later on when we click on this choose file, and then from here we have to just perform Ctrl V, and then we have to click on this enter button, or you can say open. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll create couple of methods, customize method. Okay, so let me just create new class, upload file using robot class. Okay, I'll select public static void main. We can copy paste from previous class till here, and then and we have to click on upload button to use Control V and enter. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do, we'll create one method. For the first step, we have to copy the file location in the system clipboard. We'll create one method, customize method public static void set clipboard. And to copy and paste, we need to use string selection class here. We have to create the object of string selection. So let's say obj and new string selection. Fine. And we have to import this from java.awt package.data transfer. And I think we have to pass the file location, so we can give like this. So this is done. And to copy clipboard, what we need to do, we have toolkit class, and there are some methods like get default toolkit. We have one method called get system clipboard. Get system clipboard, and we have some set contents. Here we have to provide the file path, object of string selection class. It takes two parameters, obj and this owner. So you can see the description, like set the current contents of the clipboard to the specified transferable object and registers the specified clipboard owners as the owner of the new contents. So we have to pass the object of string selection class. So here you can keep this as null, that is not required. So this is ready. This class is ready. This method is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll create another method for robot class. Okay, public static void, let's say upload file. We can give upload file name as upload file, and we'll send the file path here. I'll give like file path as a string, and simply we'll call this set clipboard method from here. So simply call this method. We have to give file path here, file path. So we are calling this set clipboard method from this upload file method. And here now we'll create the object of robot class. Now we'll create the object of robot class, and we have to import robot from java.awt package. Add throws declaration. Now we have to perform certain actions, like we have some actions using keyboard actions using actions class we have seen in previous videos. So we have to perform certain actions. So we have robot, one second, rb dot key press, and should be key press method. So first of all we have to press Control and then Control V. So similarly we have Control V options as well. This one, Control press. Now we have to release these two events, these two actions. So we have rb dot key release and key event dot vk control. We have to release. Okay, similarly we have let's copy paste this one. vk dot underscore v. Yeah, so what we have done, we have pressed control and control v for to paste that file path. Okay, so here we have set the clipboard file path into the clipboard, and from there we have to perform. Let me just show you. So here we have to perform control v, right? We have to press control and then control v, and then we have to click on this enter. So for that we have to perform one more action. Simply copy this, press and vk underscore enter should be there. It is not showing. Why? Key press dot vk enter. Yeah, so these are series of operations, and again we have to release these after pressing enter. Key event dot vk enter. Yeah, this way. Now everything is ready. Now we have to call this method, this upload file, and we have to provide the file path. So what we'll do, call this file path upload file, and we have to simply provide the location of the file. Anyways, we can take it from here, shift and right click, copy as path. We have to give like this. One second. We have to add throws declaration. Now I think it is ready, so let me just run this program. I think something went wrong. We have to look for that. What is the problem? We have to give some weight here. Let's say 2 seconds of wait, and then let's see. Yeah, here we go. You can see test file.txt. So this is how you can upload file using robot class as well. So don't worry guys, I'll provide all these programs in my blog. So here you can see whatever I'm covering, I'm providing all the notes here. So this is for Java, and here we have Selenium tutorials. So here I'm covering all the topics as well. So let me just show you once. Actions class in Selenium, multi-select actions in Selenium. So here I'm giving the code and attaching the video as well. So now what is the next? We have this is done. Yeah, we'll see Chrome options class. I mean download files using Chrome options class. Okay, so already I have created the program for that. Let me just explain. So download file, how to download file using Chrome browser, right? So this is to just set the Chrome driver. Okay, and here we have download path where we are going to download the file, and we have created one hash map class object. Okay, and hash map takes keys and value pair, right? Why we have created to provide the this key, this is the key, right? Directory, to set the directory, and we have to set the download file path. So that's why we have created the hash map object, and here we have set the what you can say download file path. Now later on we have created the object of Chrome options class where we have set certain factors, certain parameters. Okay, and here I'm passing the object of hash map class. Okay, and later on simply we have to navigate to URL where from where we are downloading the file. Okay, so from seleniumhq.org. So this is the website from where I am downloading, and using this link text we are going to download 32-bit Windows IE, that driver file. Okay, so let me just run this program and I'll will see whether it will download or not. So it will be stored in downloads, this file path. Okay, so let me just rerun. So website is launched. Now it will download as well. Internet is very slow today, so that's why it is taking time. Here you can see it is downloading this iDriver server. Okay, let me just cancel it. Here you can see 9:28, time is also the same, so it is downloaded this one. So this is how you can download the file as well. So today we have covered different ways to upload files in Selenium. 3 ways: StKeys using StKeys method, Autoedit tool, and robot class, and we have seen how to download files using Chrome options class. Regarding these 2 points we'll cover in coming days. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And in the next video we'll talk about how to perform scroll up and scroll down in Selenium. Thank you.